What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video here on Central Coast Garage. It is a warm January day over here on the Central Coast, and there's a car meet down about 20 minutes away, so we're gonna go meet up with Dustin and then head over there, check that out, and I'm gonna show you guys some of the cars around here, go talk to a couple people, and I'm sure you'll see some of these cars later on the channel, so make sure to subscribe so you can watch their What I Drives and some cinematics from their cars as well. But without further ado, let's go meet up with Dustin over at the beach and head over to this car meet. Always gotta be stunting. Rolling up to the meet. I'm gonna just sit right here. I'm just gonna sit right here and hopefully he starts washing my car too, just cause why not? For why not? I'm just gonna sit right here and hopefully he starts washing my car too, just cause why not? For why not? I think we're gonna go over to Dutch Bros and then head over to the car meet itself, which is hosted by Troy, aka Squeaky Cahlean. I'll put his cinematic up above right here and his What I Drive, because we have actually shot together before, and you guys should definitely check those out because they're, well, excuse me. You should definitely check those out. His What I Drive is really good. His cinematic is like pretty okay. So if you like those, make sure to drop a like or a comment below and let me know what else you want to see of his car, because he's got a bunch of stuff going on as well. Let's go check out the Squeaky Cahlean crew, because they're the ones hosting the meet. Make sure to follow them. I'll post them down below. And you can also watch Troy's video, which I mentioned earlier, the vlog with the whole entire crew, and I'll show you guys a little bit up close and personal with some of their cars right now. What's up, dude? What's up, dog? Dude. Chilling. This is dope. The interior of the bay matches the brake calipers. What's up, loner?
I need fucking food.
Big on down there in the Florida Keys.
That got me much excited.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You gotta come walk around.
Yeah, my truck's got the same motor.
I don't know, man. It sounded a little bit bigger. Just a tad.
It sounded like it had an aluminum block.
Yeah. Overall, it's a good turnout. There's a dope little meet. I enjoyed this. How'd you? You trying to hide from camera?
No, I'm trying to get something.
Oh.
Juking me out, or you're blocking me. I don't know.
I'm sorry. But anyway, it's a dope little meet. Troy did a really good job. Well, the whole entire Squeaky Cahlean crew did a really good job. I took a lot of videos of kind of cool cars that I enjoyed, but I didn't really talk too much about them. overall. Dustin hid in his truck most of the time because he had too much caffeine and now he's all jittery. And he's cleaning. Good, he's a good cleaning boy. I'll take it. I feel like this thing fucks. You got the meaty Mickey Thompson. I want one.
He's what did that cop tell us? He's sensible.
Oh yeah, he's a sensible guy. That's why he has a Mark IV.
That's why he doesn't have a body kit on it. It's just on wheels.
He has the 1320 sticker on it though.
And
I bet you he has some fucking street killers in the garage at home.
he's sensible.
Here.
Not sensible.
Not sensible. Bad taste. I didn't say that.